Mm-hmm. Looks like our neighbors are stuck. They've got some kind of board up on their driver's front tire. And here comes someone to the rescue with a, oh look, a cardboard box. And a full moon. Oh shit. Whoa. I think he just smiled for the camera. He's like, now Mom, this should get it. Here, Mom, let me adjust the cardboard. There you go. Now you should be able to get out. Nope. Well, maybe if I push in the back. No, Mom, you get out. You push. Okay, so now he's gonna push on the door while she's driving. He's gonna break that fucking door off. And we're gonna get this all on camera. Well, Mom, I guess that's not gonna work. Damn, my ass is cold. He's like, let's go sledding instead. No. Look at the blizzard just coming down. If we was any like good Samaritan, our asses would be out there helping them.
It's cold outside.
It is cold out there, and I'm in my jumping jammers.
I don't have to ruin my good snuggie. Where's it? Halfway in the road too, aren't they?
Isn't there a father that lives in the house next door?
Yeah, I don't know.
They're probably on their front porch watching too, but just coaching. Alright, well, I think she's turned the car off and she's saying fuck it. She's taking her license plates off so no one can tow her. She's like, let's get the newborn out. Oh, it's laundry. What the fuck? They're looking at me saying, what the fuck is he doing? Is he videotaping us? Well, and that's what's happening in my neck of the woods.